As Google prepares to roll out Android 16 with a strong emphasis on privacy and advanced protection, Samsung is not staying behind. With its upcoming One UI 8 update, Samsung is working on a powerful new feature called the Alert Center, and it could redefine how users interact with their phone's security settings. Mobile phone. According to a detailed report from Android Authority, Samsung's new Alert Center is designed to be a centralized hub for all things related to privacy and security. Unlike the standard Android indicators, like the small green dot that appears when your camera or microphone is in use, Samsung's approach is far more proactive and user-focused. Brain, what is the Alert Center? The Alert Center is Samsung's answer to the growing need for real-time, intelligent security alerts. It's not just about showing you what's happening, it's about helping you take action before a threat becomes a problem. Here's what the Alert Center is expected to do. Camera with flash camera and mic access alerts. Get notified when apps access your camera or microphone, even if you're not actively using them. Envelope with error-sensitive data monitoring. Alerts when apps access private data like your messages or call logs. Microbe malware detection. Warnings about suspicious apps or files that may contain malware. Counterclockwise arrows button. Outdated software notifications. Prompts to update apps or system software that may have security vulnerabilities. Locked with key biometric security reminders. Encouragement to enable fingerprint or face unlock for stronger protection. Receipt unsecured account warnings. Notifications if your Samsung or Google account lacks proper security settings. This feature is designed to go beyond passive indicators and offer actionable insights, helping users stay one step ahead of potential threats. VS button. How it compares to Android 16 security features. Google's Android 16 is expected to introduce a new advanced protection mode, which will offer tighter controls and stronger safeguards for sensitive data. Samsung's Alert Center complements this by offering a more visual, user-friendly interface that integrates seamlessly with One UI's design language. While Android 16 focuses on system-level protection, Samsung is aiming to make security more visible, understandable, and manageable for everyday users. Test tube still in development, but coming soon? Although Samsung hasn't officially announced the Alert Center yet, code found in recent One UI 8 APK teardowns suggests that the feature is actively being developed. That means it may not be available in the first release of One UI 8, but it's likely to roll out in a future update. As always, Samsung tends to test features internally before making them public, so we'll be keeping a close eye on beta builds and developer previews for more clues. Megaphone bonus. Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 reservations are now live. In the meantime, Samsung fans have something else to get excited about: the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7. Reservations are now open, and Samsung is offering some great incentives. Dollar banknote $50 Samsung credit just for reserving. Wrapped gift free entry to win $5,000. White heavy checkmark, no purchase required. You can reserve now and decide later.